This money-making prompt is so good that really feels illegal to know. Hopefully YouTube won't get it down because it's actually based on a real case study and I'm about to reveal to you in the next 1 minute. And this is why this prompt is so good. First of all, while everybody is getting obsessed with 10K months, 20K months, how to become financial free, this prompt really teaches you and gets you with exact instructions to your first sale online. 20, 30, 40 bucks, realistic targets. This is exactly what one of my students shared with me yesterday. Her first win. After following this logic of the prompt I'm gonna reveal to you, and after making her whole effort to start making money online, very specific. So if you're ready to learn how to use this sophisticated prompt I prepared for you, this video is for you. So before you quit your job, this video aims for you to feel that this is possible. That's what the first sale does. I still remember the first payment that I got as a freelancer, as an entrepreneur. It really completely changed the way that I think. I felt that this is possible, that I can really scale, that I can have strangers pay me for something that I created in my mind. It's beautiful. So for this video, you don't need any crazy skills. You can do that even if you're a beginner. We're gonna be using Printify, ChatGPT, an AI designer program, Pinterest, and all you gotta do is know your interests, what exactly you really enjoy. So this right here is the prompt we're gonna be using. You can find it in the description so you can copy, paste it. And what I asked ChatGPT is to make me my first print-on-demand sale using Printify and Etsy. First, ask me a list of at least 3 interests, hobbies, or topics I personally like. This is really important because that's exactly where we're gonna build your own side hustle on this micro niche that hopefully will give you the first sale online. Then identify 3 micro niches based on my interests, right? Validate them using current Pinterest trends, Etsy bestselling products, Printify catalog availability. I have covered this topic in this video very thoroughly, so you can go back and see exactly why I'm asking ChatGPT to use Pinterest trends. This is something that really gives us the heartbeat of the marketplace, what people are looking for, what people want to buy, what people demand, right? Rules: do not give me broad niches, right? I don't want generic stuff. Do not suggest saturated markets. Do not suggest complex branding. Don't suggest paid ads. I don't want to start paying ads for me before I even understand if something is working. Prioritize fastest path to first sale, micro niches with real buyers, that's the key right here. Simple designs, low competition, recommend one niche only, the one with the highest probability for my first sale, then provide the micro niche, 5 Printify product ideas from the catalog of Printify that gives you more than 1,300 different product options, 5 simple design ideas so I can go to Ideogram, ChatGPT, Google Gemini Pro, and I can generate specific ideas for these micro niches. 5 Etsy keywords so I can really optimize in terms of SEO the listings that we're gonna create there. Why this niche is trending on Pinterest, how to differentiate from bestsellers, simple 7-day launch plan. We also want how we can really make the most in order to get the first sale. Pinterest strategy, 3 pins per product, very important. We want to get traffic from Pinterest as well, from specific searches. Focus on speed to first sale, optimize for proof, not perfection. And ChatGPT gives me the step to follow, right? You don't have to assume, you don't have to wonder, you just need to follow exactly what ChatGPT tells you using Printify, Etsy, and Pinterest. So, the first step you need to do is to reply with the 3 interests that you have as a person. Is it sports? Is it fitness? Is it overlanding? Is it swimming? Is it surfing? Do you have any passions, any interests you would love to build a side hustle on, right? And address, obviously, the relevant audience. So it can be fitness, cats, AI, travel, entrepreneurship, gaming. Example, fitness, AI, cats, right? So let me give to ChatGPT surfing, cats, and entrepreneurship. And now ChatGPT will give me the plan based on these specific interests, right? I analyze your interests, Pinterest trending behaviors. It will give me the micro niches that will really make a difference based on what is trending right now, what is trending on Etsy. So the introverted cat entrepreneurs like me. I'm an introvert person. It happens to have 3 cats right now. I work from home, so I want to relate with these people, right? Massive Etsy buyer base, high emotional identity, easy simple text designs, and examples of designs you can create working from home with my cat, CEO of my own business and my cat approves. Second micro niche, surf lifestyle, minimalistic quotes, not surfers, surf mindset, right? Less saturated than surf brands. Examples, build, surf, repeat, entrepreneur, surfer, free. Micro niche number 3, entrepreneur, cat, humor. And you can keep doing that with ChatGPT until you get winning niches, right? Entrepreneur cat humor is the one that ChatGPT believes it's the winning one, and it has this quality to get you your first sale quite faster. Printify product ideas, and you can go to Printify right here in the catalog and start exploring different items that match this specific niche. So for example, can be tech accessories if you want to address entrepreneurs, right? Tech enthusiasts, digital marketeers, people that work in technology and are working from home with their cats, right? So you can address the sub niche, or you can go after t-shirts, coffee mugs. You see that ChatGPT gives you some recommendations based on what is trending on Pinterest, what is trending on Etsy. And by the way, we also have our Etsy keywords right here. As we said before, when we list something from Printify directly to Etsy, we have shown before how to do that. You can also go to trends.pinterest.com to understand exactly what is trending right now on one of the biggest product research platforms across the globe. You see right here that you can find for your region what people are looking for, items, aesthetics, insights, designs, per interest, per age, per gender, per keyword, and you can match these keywords with Etsy. You can search something specific. You also have Pinterest Predicts that also gives you some fashion insights about specific trends. But if you want to keep it simple, you can focus on just searching any item like cats aesthetics, and you can have an idea of what exactly people are looking for. That's what Pinterest is great for. It gives you the insights in real time, and then you can find something like, for example, posters, and create something with AI. We have shown again before how to use a reference trend to create your own unique designs and start designing on Printify your own custom products that are specific for that sub niche, and you have zero limitation in how many different designs you can start with. 5, 20, 50, 100, you name it, doesn't matter. Exactly like my student did, as you see right here. Her first effort for at least 6 months was that she was trying to create random designs that she had in her mind in a specific niche, but she didn't really focus on something specific. And that's what she's writing to me right here. That when she changed completely her focus after watching this video into specific sub-niches, making a research, understanding through Pinterest trends what people are looking for, and then tagging those products, pinning those products on Pinterest so that people can really start searching. This little segment can start searching for these items. It got her first sale on Etsy. So here's her Etsy store. All those designs have been created before, and she optimized many of them. She deleted some of them. She created new ones using Gemini Pro. And as you see, after months of effort and readjusting her focus, she got her first sale. Using also, as you saw in her message, block to pin that really helps her auto-pinning of every single new design that she uploads on Printify. So the process, summarizing the whole thing, is go to ChatGPT, enter the prompt that we created together, create Printify products based on this specific niche that you're gonna identify with your interests, create designs for this specific micro niche, upload them on Etsy directly with Printify that gives you this integration, and then use block to pin to instantly upload to Pinterest, that is an amazing search platform, every single new item that you create on Printify. Do that for a month. Do it for 2 months after selectively finding your micro niche, and let's see what happens.